So we have our regulator, and guys, make sure it's a 6 kg regulator because it's different from the 13 kg one. And yeah, make sure it fixes everywhere. So we are checking, we are making sure we tighten everywhere to make sure that our regulator is tightened enough. Yeah, so we fix into our gas cylinder and we make sure it is tight enough. So you tighten it enough. So next, we take our gas pipe and add the clips. And we fix it to the regulator. Yeah, so the clips are used to tighten the gas pipe. So that the gas won't leak. So we fix our gas pipe. Tighten it using the clips so that the gas won't leak. On the